Good afternoon, country people them. Pastor for Church for Kingdom Exploit Ministry International. So now, Padiman, Ido enter for Sosongo. Tori for this afternoon, we go talk chapter for Sofam, where people them for side from Doc Pasitu, Dedi Heram for inside chapter for this afternoon. I meant to go no go left chapter for talk palaba for land for inside Wala year where it is also happen. All time, Tori when newspaper then says up the talk, we go try for enter bag for Teluna. Wait when newspaper the way the day outside this afternoon. They get for talkam. Country people them big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say waiting. Say Arata where it the ton for cornerstone them. Sabi say the Arata says it the beg na say he want die. I say Arata where it the ton for cornerstone them. It the beg na say make the stone a kill am. Ambassador the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country. Asabiso na don build na plenty for here to reweigh the pass for country. Chapter 1, we go take una go for that side so for Lebialem. Make we show na film where it happen for day, it be day na for Saturday. Now for the village this where it is so the cash bar where they call it head boy for GC board where they call it say Ivo Leke Tambo. All the people then so you see and so they run now for go height after where they hear as we gone it be the hala so for that side so for Lebialem for Saturday. Now Okada man says help con the people it be one people them after all man is start taking a running. Even people then say where they be the travel where they put peace plant on top their motor. All man eternal for one side. Sabi say inside this chapter where it be passed for that side where they call am say Lebialem for inside this weekend. Student then say where they come up for university for Chang where they begin for go march. Someone the day where they hold them Chakara even their motor as one of the see and so small time na inside bushi where people they be work for go height. Na so to oga DO SDO for that side so for Lebialem it come out. Na moto that way the Chakara after where they come out some student them. Tori will be enter for we ear. It tell we say na Oga head boy for GC board, Professor Ivo Leke Tambo and some other people there they cash and driver says for a moto. Now will be the talk so one time. Oga D.O. says Oga na the man that na moto that yes na the driver this con the people them he be the try for tell we wait way happen with the big man in moto see how they knocking na wound that where they give for a hand where they put plus on top see foot where they try for show we as where they touch him sabi say last gendarme people then says they be can't enter for inside the fight. Okada people then so they be they be try for talk one time. Oga divisional officer he take all change of them. E go put na for inside the office. Now for the way all then they she done. As well they be the year gone them. Poor for all corner. Sabi say something now. They never fit for fine head boy for GCE board where they call it say Professor Ivo Leke Tambo where he says they don't tiffy for that side. So can the people them now just the story that for this chapter for inside Lebialem as well people they be run go enter na for inside bush. For see as well they feel hide. Someone they run go enter now for inside seminary for see say me Papa God he look at them. So now we never hear other story concerning that big man for GC board where he did so dirty. We go left that chapter for Lebialem where happen for Lebialem. We talk now so chapter for church. Sabi say Sunday way pass when yesterday church people them for Kingdom Exploit Ministry International. They no be there. Yes, they no be there. Their pastor, he don't run enter for Sosongo. I say waiting. Pastor, he run enter for Sosongo. After we DO for inside Douala 3, Oganuhu Bello, and even commandant for that side so for Yasawe they call it say waiting. Oga Fedena Kwambe say all them they go lock that church. Waiting happen. Pastor they say he don't chop soya for a woman them inside the church and he don't enter Sosongo. So the 20 woman the way they do Tibelem. One time Ogadi Oto say that kind of church he no fit pass for inside place where be Oga Pata. So he go down with even commandant for gendarme for see as well they go lock this church. But sabi say even as well they lock church, woman for pastor and other people the way they go the church, they talk say they go so open the church. But sabi say yesterday church e no pass for that side. So for Kingdom Exploit Ministry International, they dey also find the pastor for the church. The pastor don enter for Sosongo, and they don talk say that church e go only remain locked so they investigate on top this palava e finish. For now, people dem for Christian Exploit Ministry or na Kingdom Exploit Ministry, they never so turn back for church. They no be fit for prayer yesterday. For seeker say pastor no be there. Even as when mommy pastor to be there, they don't talk say if he try for open that door, na big trouble. Woman the day where they don't enter for inside opposite seaway, when a pastor he do am. One football team, he don't already finish am. Yes, now one football team, he don't finish for man. If all that woman they born, one day where they no born twin, it means a pastor he don't get one football team. This locking for church, after the lock-up, waiting happen, will be turned back for day. After we do don't can lock church, some church people they go say they go open the church. Now then that, they come say they want to open the church back. They say they will pray for inside. Now pastor is small brother that way they talk so. He said they go open the church back. Chief for inside quarter talk say may they try touch am. May they try touch that thing, then they go service say Cameroon na country way, even as well they talk say law no dey law e dey. E be then a big quarrel as well pastor is small brother and big man for inside quarter. They quarrel where they want go open the church back. They talk say church it must to happen. They say church it must continue to happen. Say na Papa God he has that. Say no man he no get right for can lock Papa God he house he go. Oga pata too for quarter talk say he no go see as so that thing go pass for inside a quarter. He talk say that kind of thing e no fit pass for inside a quarter. Na so they argue so they talk for day so they last chief he talk say make he try open the door. Now only gendarme people the ojo can carry all them so go put them for inside gata. E be then a chapter for chief for quarter and pastor is small brother for talk. Yes, after we pastor don't run enter Sosongo, now pastor is small brother e be get for Shidona so for talk inside the chapter for a big brother way he don't come up for outside. So it be now another big quarrel with big man for quarter and pastor is small brother for say the church they go open and back again. As well I don't talk for now that church Kingdom Exploit Ministry International na church where he dey for inside Port Soup and they get for find that pastor where he give belle for more than 15 women them inside a church. One day way they don't marry and one day way they never even marry, then he run enter for Sosongo country people them. So now to read that for chapter 4 inside this palava for church, we go surely turn back as we to read the pass for that side. Now so make we enter for inside Ndokpasi country people them. Yes, inside Ndokpasi says they hear bad. I say waiting, you see the he pikin they don't end die for inside that place. People them for the quarter they don't see die body for inside plenty times so they don't tire. They don't call for mayor say make he can see as well he go fix the place. You see the hole no? The hole high up, it dey high for up. People them for the quarter they say they don't suffer, they don't tire life. You understand? When people they don't tire life, it means say true. Governor say get for do something. They say they don't talk deep palava for DO. They don't talk this palava for mayor for Douala 3. They don't talk, but no man you know they do know nothing. The other day they say they meet on a die body for pikin for inside. How the pikin manage for inside day? Now the big question that people they no fit get for answer am. The people they say this water whole way they way it deep enter so. That one a place where they no fit ever do something. See how you see how the eternal look the place no? Any person where make mistake they fall for inside. Normal na thing way automatic. They begin for make some small bridge for day. Where pikin they feed the pass, big people they feed the pass. Other people then they don't use a like place where they can't throw their dirty from top. You understand? They don't say like that place where they can't throw dirty on top. So these people then from Ndokpasi quarter day, they don't talk say make people. Mommy look out, work as small, work as small. Small. You see you small so you go for inside there your toss ambassador now make a for. No be me. But we try for talk say that place it then a big danger. See the hole. You see the hole no? Now big hole that. Where if people they no look out, now so die. Even as people they can't trade dirty for day. But na danger for inside put their life. You see am? From the opposite side, the people they cry. Say men governor try for can't sit if you do am. Mayor they call you say you can't do your work. DO now you get up. Now you been governor talk man. Write your own book you say now. See what they will do am because this place na big danger for the people them for inside Ndokpasi they beg. I say they beg na beg even as we don't turn at that small place where they throw dirty. but the place dey danger. They say pikin dem don't move at least 3 die body them inside the place where they no sabi as wey they die a pass. See, na some people dey that. See, no, na their own small place that they dey their dirty. After all, when rain fall, water go can carry and throw and go for faraway place. But na danger for inside put their life. You see the hole? Na big danger for put their life. Small pikin they send American trade dirty for here, dirty heavy pass, go for inside here. If no man no dey for LP, it don't go. Another danger we will see am for inside that dog passy place. Na di bridge. Una see bridge. Una dey see am see bridge. See bridge. You see bridge? Plank e don rot it up. See small pikin dey play on top. If this small pikin fall for inside that hole, they'll do it. You dey see am? Una dey see am no? Now another danger that. Now for inside the wala here, the bridge, there you see am? You dey see the bridge? Now bridge this, where plank, it don't go half. Plank, all age won't catch some of the plank them. See how even big people that say they fear for work on top. Then just imagine small pikin we get for can pass on top the place. You dey see am? Na bridge for inside the wala. You dey see am? See bridge? All bridge. And now with the stick there. Where any man wey dey pass so they no look out. Oh boy, small, very good. Small, take style pass. Small. See, na big danger for people then for here again. With the type of talk say make people then she don't find for on top place so they don't give them make the work. The one na thing where e dey danger for people their life for inside that side from Dr. See. Man wey no get sense, he just go enter. Person wey dey dreaming but plenty, if he fall for here die no. When he dey turn back for a house, if he can't chook if foot to some place, he fall enter. Na danger this for people then for inside dog passing on the people. We go the turn for quarter then small time. I go the enter for quarter. We go the only show na the one them. For seeker say that big shame. Say we dey for inside Douala, people then for inside quarter they hear back. See bridge. You dey see am? Na bridge how people they work on top And na danger for people them. Water deep for inside. Water deep for inside. Oh boy. See this small pikin. If you make mistake enter for inside, wait to happen. So we dey just call now big people them. Make they open their eye. Make we hear wait to where people them from the passage they get for talk. We fit hear people them from Dr. Passy side wait to where they get for talk for inside this chapter for this danger where they stay inside.
For yes. They don't carry pikin them plenty. We don't move pikin them inside the gutter. They don't die. Their body don't be for here. More than 10 years today. When the gutter dey for here. Government no do nothing. Mayor don't come for here. We tell you, we show you the gutter. He say yes, he go see him. He go see him. No, he never come back no one day. Well, this is a problem. My name
na Madame Ayisi Diabelin for Nyala Kilimanjaro. Na from the way for this day so past 20 years way day so people that die say for ya. Never me one way we don't take die body for some for small picking for ya. Where the digibam if rain before some man of it pass for ya. We don't a mayor don't come, sous-préfet don't come, chef de quartier they no man not do no nothing. Not do nothing. We don't talk sute.
Yes, so we'll turn back for that chapter. So I don't talk. We ambassador go the turn now so for inside quarter them. Other kind of magu then so we get for the talk and so that we people then they get for see where they happen. Another problem where they happen now for that side so for inside Pekka 10 we feel where people they be knocked down but for they now so now people they now so they don't come build their own place for they. So this one too now another palaba where it go come for Douala yes more time. I feel that they don't did Nangdamba for them. Yesterday, it be then a different trouble. As well people the way they be don't use that fee for Nangdamba. Last they come up for stop work where they pass for them. But they don't talk say waiting Nangdamba fee way. Some other man, if he say he don't buy him, he don't get plenty money for can buy him. Now fee that you see how they don't see put that for fee. They don't cut the fee then they be for inside. Now almost the thing way a pass for people that they sabi that fee for circumcise the way they can build on top then the chakara. So now the same thing with the people then for that side so for Pekka 10 then say they don't start see them for inside this chapter for fee. Tori we enter for we here they try for tell we say be then a land for CMPS so they know be the use them before they go beg the land say make they use them for fee. But now another person he don't can she done on top say he want big house. Now so to the population for that side it vex say this one it no fit happen. For Sika say GO I say DO for that side, if you don't sign book, say make the work, e no pass. Yes, DO don't sign book, say make work, e no pass, but the people that don't hate, they dis also build. So now they book that. Now book that way DO self is sign. Now that Oga Zaccheaus, now he sign the book. Say make no work, e no pass for that place. But as well it happen, work it is also pass for day, and population for inside that place, they don't talk say work e no go fit. Yes, e no go fit for sika say na field where people they dey play on top, they dey knack down on top, and na field where they don't keep on since. You understand? Make we hear some one part for inside this chapter 2, he talk that palaver.
We tell that if CNPS want to sell, maybe sell we buy them for generation future. That paper na super paper don't get this that paper. Say them stop work every time. Them send paper. Them continue that's a work. We don't send paper for CNPS. That means see if you want to sell them, we don't be for year. If he wants to sell them, he must make me we pay for that young generation, because for this area here no start.
Yes, now people then that so palava for land for inside the wala here. Person no go ever sleep. Yes, palava place for Nangdamba, the one being a house for them. We go turn back for that chapter. Last story for this afternoon, or before we finish story, make we take on a meet up with Oga Clement Atangana, Sabi say Constitutional Council people them. They done today for that side so for Yawende. Now for look for inside case where it concern SDF and CPDM for palava name where it be there for CPDM their own list for vote for senator where SDF it talks say that one a big patcha where that thing enough for be. Sabi say first time where Constitutional Council she done it be there na last week, and inside last week there be talk say they no be fit for look inside the case where concern SDF and CPDM for that list where a commoner for West region. So now today so Oga Clement Atangana and the other combi them they get for she done again check this palava fine for see whether na SDF it go press CPDM in egg or CPDM it go put SDF for inside pot soup. But sabi say palava forget senator them vote it go pass for number 25 day for inside this very month so we dey inside. So we dis also wait for here wait way court with Constitutional Council for Oga Clement Atangana. He go talk whether na CPDM he get correct talk we don't talk or na SDF he get correct talk we he don't talk now. So make we just remind you now result we pass for number 8 day for inside League 1 championship where he pass for this weekend. How the result he pass, make we try for see the result them. Sabi say for inside this chapter for Ndamba we be get team like Cotton Sport where he catch new star for Douala in Akan 2-0. Now so to another Douala team where they call and say Astrem Fufu he go meet them for Boya, he catch and give them 2-1. Then UMS and Future they play not Bambutus catch Dragon Sleep and 3-0. Unisport Union he did not now so to Column not Young Sport Academy 1, Apejes 2, Stade Rena 1, Eding he catch IS Fortuna Tugi 3-0. Yawende Foot and Aigle they play not. Now so then Ndamba pass. Now so na Fufu they be the new people them, new boy them with the turn up for number 1 place for inside League 1 where he enter for number 8 day yesterday where he be there na Sunday. Now so make we enter for Tori where we own brother them for newspaper they get for Terry today. Waiting will start with them the media newspaper where it dey for outside today. Strong number for day. They say Lebi Alem Ebiton na place where bad thing it pass again for this Saturday. Ambazonia people then the chief head boy for GCE board where they call it say Professor Ivo Leketambo. So for inside the median you go read some Torim where it consign Okada people them for that side so for Kumbam where they say for Sika work for Amber Boy. Okada people then say for Kumbam they hear but inside the median too you feel read Torim where it consign campaign for senator people them for inside Boya side them where council of them they show say they no get even heart for for attend inside that chapter so for make campaign. Tori too for Sase Old Boys Association, a day for inside the median, as well they tell we say DO for inside that side so for Boya, DO for Boya where they call it say Oga Kwanwo Kampo. He says he don't want the Professor Ephraim Angwafo for inside meeting where he be passed so for that side so for Sase Old Boys Association. Sabi say this chapter it come with plenty other people them, they don't talk this chapter for Sase Old Boys Association. So now some of the story then that where the media newspaper a carry am. Make we enter for inside the Sun newspaper where they for outside. The Sun newspaper too, a strong number for today. It talk now how we hell it be open for inside Lebialem after we GC board big man, head boy, Professor Ivo Leketambo, they thief him. Now they do that work according to the Sun, Amber boy them, now they do that kind of work. Now so to inside story for this afternoon, you go see a photo them for Professor Ivo Leketambo, the social affairs delegate for Batibo and DO for Batibo, when also thief where they thief them. Inside the same story, you go read story where concern Okada people them inside Meme division as we SDO says he don't turn a middleman for try for see as we go make order for Oga Atanganji is small, he go down small on top Okada people them. Other story they feed them for inside the Sun where you feel for read and today. Make we enter now so for inside the guidance post where they for outside the guidance post they ask and say waiting why and how we Ambazonia people them they take thief GC board chairman. They ask why and how we Ambazonia people then they take thief head boy for GC board. So for inside the guidance post una go read to him where it concern as we gun people them they don't do it in they don't kill how many people them they kill some work people them for that side so for that side where they walk road for a condo titi. So for inside the guidance post Tori day as well they talk palava Atanganji where he had for second a man boy he enter for inside Ambazonia the land where they call him say Batibo for inside Norway. Sabi say na chapter for Waka for Paul Atanganji for inside this chapter. Case for Constitutional Council a day and even NUDP for inside Norway they get their own Tori where the guidance post will come outside a talker. We take una enter for the Star newspaper. The Star newspaper says, Sabi say all the story them for this week or the Monday. Now so this bad news will come up for Lebialem. The Star to it talk this chapter. Tori we pass on Lebialem. Tell we as we Ideso the thief GC board big man and also the burn house for Paul Tasong. So for Esa Lebialem. Now so work for Ambazonia people them. Then they try for tell we too. Other small story them where Ideso for inside there as we people them. They is also beg say make picking them they turn back for school. Small story they did too where the Star way they for outside today a talker. We go finish. Before we finish, we enter for the Eating newspaper. The Eating newspaper we dey for outside. Eating, he get his own chapter for Tori for talk for we today. Call the people them. Eating too. He talk as well Lebialem is surprise Cameroon inside this weekend. The tell we as well GC bought big man the Tiffy and as well the burn house for Paul Tasson for Mogbit village. So for inside the Eating you go read Torim where he consign Waka for Ogayang and Atanganji for Norway's. They ask na BB question who is the play with in Norway's fund them between Prime Minister and Paul Atanganji. Now the one side that where Eating newspaper he get for talk. Sabi say Eating he get other Tori them when na for enter for inside for reader. Last story where we go look for inside this afternoon. Now the Post where they for outside this Monday. The Post newspaper too. It talk this chapter for the GC board big man with the Tiffy and as we Paul Tasong he run for a life for inside chapter for Lebialem. Sabi say a house the Bonham according to which way the Post is showing. So for inside the Post where they for outside you go read story them where a concerned member for parliament and you go read other small story them where the Post where they for outside this number 1 day for the week a talk and for we. Country people them now so we see country for this half time. Me I go turn back when in 8 o'clock for morning time number 2 day for inside the week. If you don't talk table for chop chop fine, bon appetit, happy birthday again for you, Ngorangilio, Ambassador go turn back for some time. Una hold am tight for outside.